Today has inspired us. I welcome our session judge with
all those papers that you will file for the court, you need to scan them. There might be an occasion where you do not have the opportunity to go back to your chamber or to your homes and get it scanned. So in those kinds of circumstances, you can document scan and use the system over there to e-file your case. This is what an e-seva camera looks like. So it's a quarter cable which is size of 10 feet by 15 feet.
Hall to attend awareness program conducted by this is initiated by the NIC. I would like to welcome everyone today. It's an honor to welcome our Honorable Justice H.S. Thank you, Judge High Court of Meghalaya, to be in our midst. Sir, by your presence and your wisdom, you have always uplifted the District Council Court.
Every app or any application that is developed under EPOS project basis, the backbone is the case information system. In the case information system, the court, staff, the officers, they feed data into the system, and that is how you get to see the cost list, the status of your case, where is your house, at what stage is your case pending, and what are the reasons for delay. So the new version...
The judge who has made a personal invitation to me, actually we're thinking that CIS is already here and it's only a sensitization or awareness to show how the system should really function, and you all know as to how to access and how to use the system efficiently. Now you know the CIS system was available to the normal courts, like you can see, which in different districts all over India. District council courts are functioning under a different regime, in the sense that they created under 6th schedule. It's only for tribals, and under paragraphs 4 and 5, the courts constituted. And these courts, you don't come under supervision of the High Court, except when appeals go there, or under 235, in such situation warrants. And so they're functioning, you can say, on its own, very autonomous. And so in this way, they were outside the ambit of the whatever developments were there. Now you see, in the last 2 years after this pandemic happened, digitization, computerization, using virtual court, everything's advanced at a rapid pace. And even the normal courts or other courts, they also have to adapt. Now, we were thinking that, why should the fruits of this digitization, computerization be kept away from the litigants and from the lawyers and from the district council courts? Because this helps to increase efficiency, it helps us to give us information, it helps that a lawyer knows. You see, when the resource person, Ms. Tapira Fukan, shows you that if you have this thing, you don't even need to have a diary anymore, because there are provisions there, in the program, in the itself, the CIS, right? You can have your digital diary. And now we all have these phones. Everybody uses a smartphone. So smartphone goes well in step with this kind of advancement we have in the judicial administration. So CIS, virtual courts, then even should talk about e-courts. And my main, the wish is that once we have this platform, that we should use it to the fullest, and the lawyers will know which orders are awarded, when is the case coming up next, and the judges will help them also, that the staff's work will decrease. Now when you go to a court, you don't need to go to the Peshkar to find out when's the next date, or take out the records. Now with CIS, you have it in your hand. So there's many advantages we have. So without be brief, one thing is that I hope